Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check if your iPhone is original or fake, so let's see how can you check. So there's a simple and official way. You just have to open your settings, go for general, go for about section, and here you'll find a serial number. You just have to keep a long press on it, then select copy. You just have to copy the serial number. Once you have done, you have to go back, open your Safari or any other browser, and here you have to simply search for a website which is checkcoverage.apple.com. So you must have to search for the website, and here you have to simply enter your serial number and just paste in the copied serial number, then select submit. Now wait for a moment and you will get a description about your iPhone, if your iPhone is original or fake. So in this way you can easily check that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.